The Lord is my shepherd. Better get a receipt, my brother. Look, she bending over. Lord have mercy. The Lord is my shepherd. He know what I want. Excuse me, brother. Miss Parker! Miss Parker! Can I talk to you for a minute, Miss Parker?
We be letting you know. Evil lurks.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Vicky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog.
Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. So today, this is probably a part of my vlog, but today I am gonna try this little green machine. I'll show y'all. I seen it on TikTok. Little green machine is dirty because my brother tried to use it before to clean the stairs. So now I'm gonna try to clean 2 parts of my carpet. I'm hoping I have the cleaner for it, but all right, so I'm already knowing. I just remembered that we did not get the carpet cleaner. This came with the little green machine, but we went to try to look for one and they didn't have this one. So I think I did pick up one, but I don't think it's to clean the carpet. And I don't know if I want to use it because I think it's like to clean the hardwood floors. So I'm not sure if I want to use it. I'm sure this one has a special ingredients for carpet, which is why it says spot and stain. It's really little in here. So we're just gonna try it. Okay, this is why I gotta get multiple devices because I'm all over the place. So doing a vlog for both, y'all just bear. So this side is supposed to be either for the water or the solution, and then this side is supposed to be either for the water or the solution. I think this side is supposed to be for the water, and then it's kind of like coming out. Yep, see it says water right here. Okay, all right y'all, so your girl figured it out. I put a little bit of water in here. It's only a little bit because I don't have much of this, so I poured a little bit I have in this, and I still think it's too much water, but I'm so excited about going to the store and buying another one of these. This one smells so good. I hope I can find one that has like a smell to it, but I did see they have like a pet one. I don't have a pet yet, but it still works because it's a carpet cleaner. So I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna put it back in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in here. It's already coming out. Put it back in there. Hey y'all, so I wanted to do a little small vlog for the girlies and the guysies, whatever. So yeah, I want to do a little small vlog, y'all. I have this outfit. I'm trying to get some pictures of the video or like some pictures of the outfit later. But I just went and found this hat because I wanted to get like a hat that had rhinestones on it, but the hats in the store had too many rhinestones. Like, it was just too much, so I settled for this, y'all, and it's really cute. Like, check the distress type stuff, y'all. I love that. Hey y'all, so I've been moving so freaking fast, but I wanted to try to get a little bit of footage what I'm doing to this wig. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of or a video of how the wig looked at before. I did like this two-tone pink, and I was trying to sell the wig, but I'm kind of glad it didn't sell because my hair appointment is tomorrow, y'all, and my wig is still not here. So I'm just happy to have like a brand new wig, and then I just wanted to revamp it, you know. So I'm kind of, what I'm doing is stripping the color, like it's pink, so I'm trying to pull the color out as much as I can, and then you guys will be able to see like the finish. So this is like my second process. So I'm like, oh, I just remember I didn't even get to show you guys the video. But if y'all want to see how I strip the color, I wouldn't mind doing a video. So just let me know in the comments, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all the after. Let me just give y'all a little look. I'm gonna start blow drying it a little bit, but this is how it looks. I did like a little bit of the top, and then a little bit at the bottom. Yeah. So we're gonna see how it looks blow dry. But this is definitely how I wanted it to come out before. Like a lighter pink and a darker pink. So now I know how to do it. So let's blow dry it and see how it looks. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. I'm very, very happy with how it looks, y'all. Some of the roots are still dark pink. Y'all, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Especially with over here. It's so pretty, y'all. And then it's light pink right there. Y'all, so look. I'm really excited about how it turns out. You probably won't be able to see the install until the Saturday video, so let me just hurry up and get this video uploaded. Y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. If you're up until this point, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube, all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all can see the install on Saturday with Saturday's vlog, y'all. Bye bye, talk to you later.